Hello, we are Team TechTitans and we have come up with a solution for the problem statement early warning system for glacial lake outburst floods. When glaciers melt, glacial lakes are formed. The water is drained out in form of river. As massive chunk of glaciers are melted, it not only increases the volume of lake, also increases the pressure. As a result, water gushes out and forms an outburst. This results into damage of infrastructure nearby the glacial lakes. It is known as the glacial lake outburst or the GLOF. As the system will be monitoring the glacial lake activity, it requires large amount of satellite imagery data along with date annotation of every image. Satellite images of Landsat 8 along with Sentinel satellites from platforms of Earth Explorer and Global Land Ice Measurement from Space, which is called as GLIMS. Along with these images, system needs data of environmental parameters. Four important parameters include temperature, precipitation, wind patterns, and carbon emission. These environmental data will be collected from the platforms of Bhuvan, NASA Power, and Mosam IMD. The collected raw data needs to be converted into format which system requires. This task is done under data pre-processing module, which includes subtask of parameter standardization applied on all environmental data, along with anomaly detection of entire parameter data. The images collected also need to be processed, which includes scaling and fitting. After acquiring correct and processed data, we'll train the model for extracting features and analyzing changes in the patterns of moraine dam stability. ML algorithms such as YOLO V8 will be used for detection of glacier lake and moraine dam. Applying CNN on detected lake and moraine dam along with date annotation, the system will identify the changes in the dam stability. After analyzing that, RNN will be used for generating time series analysis of dam stability. These trained models will be used for prediction and forecasting of outburst floods by using similar models on newly acquired satellite image. After acquiring insights from the previous module, we will generate an alert notification transmitting it to the responsible authorities, also displaying it on a dashboard which can be accessed by all the authorities along with the residents. It includes submodules for Disaster Management Authority, Environment Specialist, and local residents to access. Use case diagram. The system will be used by the Disaster Management Authority along with the local government bodies, environment specialist, analyst, and the local residents. The disaster management or the local government bodies are responsible for generating alerts to the residents in the region based on the prediction and alert provided by the system. They can also access the GLOF reports along with visualizing the current glacier lake activity for monitoring. The environment analyst is responsible for altering and modifying the parameter thresholds and data based on the current weather scenarios. The residents can obtain GLOF reports consisting of all the details of glacier activity analyzed by the system. Also, the residents can access the visuals of current conditions of the lake.